Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Meghalaya Talent Search Organization on Tuesday had announced the 5th season of Meghalaya's Got Talent event that is scheduled to be held in February 2023. It may be mentioned that only permanent citizens of the state are eligible to contest at the event. The online registration cum video uploading for participation in the Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 5 will be held in early September and will close on the 30th of September this year. While the audition will be held on 8th October, the mega audition round will be held on 12th November 2022. The semi-finals to the event are scheduled for the 14th of January 2023, while the grand finale will be held on the 11th of February 2023. The MTSO had also announced a prize money of Rs 2 lakhs to the winner, Rs 80,000 to the first runner-up, and Rs 40,000 to the second runner-up. 8 consolation prizes will also be distributed to participants, while special prizes for the best act of the day and the best act of the season will be given to participants.
Talent was organized by Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization. And briefly about Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization, it is a voluntary non-profit organization from Meghalaya, founded on 2016 under the leadership of Mrs. Mildred S. Munro as the president till date. The aim of the organization is to organize different talent hunts, thereby providing platforms for the people of the state or region, including the differently abled person (PWD), reaching to many nooks and corners and taking them to other varieties of bigger platforms too. The MTSO efforts ends not only as a one-day show, but the performances are being telecast on TV channels, social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook, so as to expose them across the globe. This Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 5 2002, it'll be through an offline mode, but the online registration cum video uploading link Google form for an audition round will be available from early September 2022, which will be closed on the 30th September 2022. And the links will be provided through the MTSO YouTube channel, Meghalaya's Got Talent YouTube channel, and Meghalaya's Got Talent Facebook page. The prizes of the winners is 2 lakhs for the winner. First runners-up will get 80,000, second runners-up 40,000, and there will be 8 consolation prizes, act of the day and act of the season. The main events will be audition round will be on the 8th October 2022, mega audition 12th November 2022, and semi-final round will be on the 14th January 2023, and grand finale will be on the 11th February 2023. And the participants, the contestants of Meghalaya's Got Talent can only contest are only the people who are the residents of permanent residents of Meghalaya, irrespective of age or gender. And the contestants should submit their identity certificate like birth certificate, secondary school leaving certificate, ration card, school or college ID, passports, voters ID or PAN card, and the permanent residential certificate of Meghalaya like the driving license, EPIC, recent Rangbashnang certificate. And for queries, kindly text WhatsApp message with the number 89743 74834. And the events that have already been held is the Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 1, Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 2, Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 3, Season 4, and also Meghalaya's Got Specially Abled Talent Season 1, which is the show meant for the specially for the differently abled person, PWD, which was held on December 2018 in Shillong. And the ongoing event is Northeast Specially Abled Got Talent. It is through online mode. The upcoming events are the Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 5 and also Meghalaya's Specially Abled Got Talent Season 2.